Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is being traded above $30,000 and again reached the resistance of this triangle. And in this video, we will take a look whether Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of the triangle or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And let's move back to this chart. Let me show you first of all this bigger time frame chart. And here we have already seen that previously Bitcoin broke out this resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. Right now Bitcoin is again it has again formed another bigger falling wedge pattern that is bigger than the previous one. And Bitcoin is moving inside this wedge since September 2021 and not able to break out the resistance so far. We have several touch points here and 2 touch points here and almost 4 touch points at the support as well. And here we also have a very significant and strong support of $28,600 that I'm telling you can be a key support for Bitcoin, because if we again take a look at the monthly time frame and watch the previous history, then we can see such supports Bitcoin never breaks down. For example, here we have this $28,600 support, and Bitcoin is still moving above this support. Previously, such support we had here at approximately $3,120 before we had support here at approximately $210 that was previously breaking here as a resistance in April 2013. And after that, it turned into a support in January 2015. And after testing this support for several months, the price line again moved up. And every time, whenever the Bitcoin hits such supports, you can see the stochastic enters the oversold zone, like it had happened here, and again happened here when we were testing this support here. Again, stochastic entered the oversold zone. Right now, when we are testing this support here, stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and it is possible that we may have some sideways move above this support, like previously we have been having such sideways moves above such supports for several months. Now let's take a look at this triangle that I was talking about at the starting of this video, and we are also watching this triangle in my previous several videos as well. And this is the descending triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see whenever the price line is reaching the resistance, it is getting rejected again and again, and right now it is again reached the resistance of this triangle. And here we have the support of this triangle, that is horizontal support at $28,600, exactly where we have this support on the weekly and monthly time frame chart as well. And you can see that price line is getting bouncing again and again from this support. Now if we take a look at the RSI with the combination of the price line, the movement of the price line, then we can see that RSI here is forming higher than previous high, but price line is not able to do so. Like here, the value, you can by the way watch the higher value here, and here the highest value of the price was on this 4-hourly candlestick, $30,670, and so far we can see that the highest price here on this candlestick is $30,505. That is lower than previous high, and the price line is not able to set another higher than previous high. Yes, it is possible that if this candle will be continue it will continue its move to the upside, then it can set another higher than previous high, but so far it is not able to do so. And there is a hidden bearish divergence flash on this chart. Therefore, if the price line follows this hidden bearish divergence, then once more we can move down to test the support of $28,600. There is a possibility, but since it has reached here, the rejection is not confirmed so far, and we can see that it's still price line is very close to this resistance, and it is possible that we will have another move to the upside, like on the hourly time frame chart. This is the second bearish candlestick, and on the 4-hourly time frame chart, this is the first bearish candlestick. So we can expect that soon the price line can make another attempt. Like here it was rejected, then on the second candlestick it has made another attempt. So next few hours are again very important. However, we can see that if Bitcoin will move up to the end of this triangle, then there is still a quite space for the price line to move inside this triangle. And it is not necessary that the price line will reach the end of this triangle and from there it will break out or break down. It's possible that it can also break out or break down from here as well. So we need to keep an eye on this support and resistance of the triangle. Within next few hours, we can expect some decisive move by Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.